If you're watching this video and you feel like you are doing the most, like you're genuinely trying, you have skills, you are hardworking, you are busy almost every day, but somehow when you check your bank account, you are still broke, you are still struggling, you are still one emergency away from panic, or you are still managing instead of actually building stability, then this video is for you. And I want you to hear this clearly. The problem is not that you don't have what it takes. It's not that you don't have the skills. You already have the skills. Most of the time, the real problem is that you don't know how to turn what you already know into a structured income system. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step without overcomplicating it. And by the end of this video, you will know how to identify what your real sellable skill is, even if you feel like you don't have anyone yet, and how you can choose what to offer and how to start making money from it in a way that doesn't drain your life. Also, I'm going to share 5 practical ways to monetize your skills. And the third one is my favorite one because it's the one that helps you stop trading your time for money. So stay with me. I'm going to be very honest with you. The pattern that I've seen, especially with women, is that a lot of women, I've had conversation with, they are very hardworking, they are skilled. Some of them can cook, some can bake, some can do hair, some can sew, some can do photography, makeup. They are good at writing, at teaching, at designing, at selling, and all of that. But the problem is that they are busy, but the money is not matching the energy. And then what happens? They start thinking the issue is maybe I need a new business idea, maybe I should start something else, maybe this thing is not working, maybe the market is oversaturated. And yes, sometimes the market is slow, but most of the time, the deeper issue is this. You already have the skills, but you don't have a monetization strategy. You have the talent, but you don't have a business structure. You are doing the work, but you are not building something that compounds. So you keep moving, but you are not progressing financially. And the reason this happens is because many of us were trained to be good workers, not to be business owners. We know how to work hard, we know how to deliver, we know how to try our best, but we were not taught how to design offers. We were not taught how to position our skills. We were not taught how to package value and how to build a system that pays. So if this is you, I want you to relax because this is learnable. And by the way, if you are new here, my name is Lara and I've been building different businesses for over 14 years. I've coached and advised many women, especially women who are skilled but stuck on how to turn what they know into structured, sustainable income without burning out and without constantly starting over. So on this channel, we talk about business, money, clarity, and building something that actually works in real life. Now, this video is very important because if you don't learn how to monetize your skills properly, what happens is this: you will keep working and working and working, but the money stays small. And when the money stays small, everything becomes stressful. You can't plan, you can't invest, you can't breathe, and then you start panicking, you start feeling ashamed, like other people are doing it and they are making it. Why not me? But I want you to know that shame is not your problem. Structure is. And once you fix structure, your confidence rises automatically because you finally see results that make sense. So let's get straight into this. So the first part is what makes money online and offline. And I'm going to start with a simple truth. You see, money follows value. And value is simply solving a problem someone already cares about. Now, this is where I like to teach with models. Think about Maslow's hierarchy of needs, if you have ever heard about it before. In Maslow's hierarchy of needs, human beings, you will see that human beings prioritize needs. If someone is hungry, you can't sell them perfume first, right? If someone is worried about safety, then you are not thinking about decoration when they are worried about safety. Business is similar. People spend money on survival and essentials like food, shelters, clothing. They spend money on safety and security, like their health, insurance, stability. They spend money on belonging and identity, like relationships, community, confidence. They spend money on self-esteem, their image, their status, competence is very, very important to them. Growth, learning. You see, people learn, they pay to learn more. Self-improvement, purpose. These are the things that people spend money on. So when you want to monetize your skill, you need to ask yourself, what need does my skill solve? What need does my skill solve? Is it very urgent? Is it emotional? Is it recurring? Because the strongest businesses, they solve urgent problems, emotional problems, and repeating problems. So for example, food is recurring. People eat every day. I don't see people that will go 24 hours without eating. Content is recurring because brands, businesses need content constantly. Clothing is recurring. People wear clothing every day. So we don't just ask, what can I do? We ask, what can I do that solves a need people pay for consistently? That is the mindset shift. So that is part one. The second part is, I don't even know my skill. How can I find it? Because I know some of you are asking yourself already, what is my skill? What is my skill? And I'm going to help you. Most people think a skill must be something dramatic or glamorous, like a graphic design, photography, sewing, coding, and all of those. No, a skill is simply something you can do well enough to help someone get a result. So let's do a simple skill discovery exercise, which I called the 3 evidence method. So evidence number one is, what do people ask you for help with? So look at your life, not your dreams, your real life. Do people ask you for advice? Do people ask you to help them organize things? Do people ask you to help them plan things? Do people ask you to help them, to explain something? Do people ask you to recommend things, to fix something for them? Sometimes your skill is hiding inside small favors. If people consistently ask you for something, that is evidence of value. Evidence number two is, what do you do that feels normal to you but difficult for others? This is where many women or many people miss money, because you will say, oh, it's nothing. I just know how to do it. That just is where your value is hiding. So let me give you an example. Let's say you just know how to write a CV. You just know how to take good photos. You just know how to organize a house. You just know how to teach children. You just know how to style outfits. You just know how to make hair. You just know how to speak clearly. You see, what is easy for you might be a miracle for someone else. So think about it. The evidence number three is, what have you done repeatedly with good results? Not what you tried once. Repeatedly. I mean repeatedly. Did you manage a team? Did you plan events for people? Did you create content? Did you sell product? Did you teach people? Did you care for people and get praise for it? Repeated results equals to reliable skill. Now the important part is this: even if your skill is not professional, it is still monetizable, but we must package it correctly. So the third part is the mistake people make. People try to sell the skill, not the outcome. And I'm going to explain this for you. You see, most people try to sell, I do photography, I do makeup, I bake cakes, I do nails, I make hair. But customers don't buy skills. Customers buy outcomes. People don't buy makeup, they buy confidence that the makeup will give them. They buy looking good for an event. They buy feeling attractive. People don't buy photography, they buy memories, brand image, identity. So when you monetize your skill, you must translate it into, what result does this give someone? And that changes everything. The fourth part is the 5 ways to make money from the skills you already have. So now let's get into the practical part, which is the 5 ways to monetize your skill. And remember, the third one is my favorite. So the first way to monetize your skill is to sell your skill as a service, but you need to package it properly, because packaging is very, very important. Services can make money, but the issue is when you sell your time loosely. So service-based business can be, managing social media accounts for businesses. It can be ear making. It can be photography, it can be sewing or anything. But when you want to sell your skill, you need to package it properly. So instead of saying, I do social media, or I'm a social media manager, you will say, I can create 12 good reels with 12 good captions for your business every month so that you can post consistently. Instead of saying, hey, I'm a photographer, I'm a professional photographer, you can say, I help small businesses create brand photos that make them look premium and attract customers. Instead of saying, oh, I do hair, you can say, I do protective styling that lasts more than 2 months and saves you time every morning. So you can see the difference. It becomes, specific, valuable. Now, if you are broke right now and you need income, packaged service is the fastest way to start generating cash. But listen, if you stop here, you will feel stuck eventually, because service still relies on your time. So we use service as a bridge, not as the final destination. So the second way to monetize your skill is to teach your skill, but you teach it in a structured way. Teaching what can be packaged into something like workshops, beginners classes, intermediate classes, small group training, boot camps, and all. But again, structured matters. So if you are a makeup artist, you'll be making up for people, you can start teaching it. And you don't just say, I teach makeup. You will say, I teach beginners how to do simple everyday makeup in 2 weeks. If you are a baker, start teaching people how to bake. And you don't just say, I teach baking. You say, I teach how to bake and sell 3 profitable cake types. Teaching works because people pay to avoid confusion. They pay for clarity. And if you are an introvert, teaching is powerful because you are not selling aggressively, especially if you don't like, selling. You are educating and people trust you. The third way to monetize your skill, which is my favorite, is to productize your knowledge. Create an asset that sells without you. Like I said, this is my favorite one because it is where you begin to stop trading time for money. Productizing your knowledge means turning what you know into templates, guides, checklists, frameworks, mini courses. And I'm going to give you an example. So let's say you are good at writing CV. You can package this and create a CV template plus interview prep guide. If you are good at organization, you can package this and sell a home organization checklist and routine planner. If you are good at content creation, package this and sell caption templates and content calendar. If you are good at makeup, sell a beginner kit list plus step-by-step routine guide. This is not complicated, believe me. And it's taking what you explain repeatedly and turning it into a product that brings incomes consistently. So let's say you've answered the same question 20 times. This can become a product. And this is where YouTube becomes powerful. You can create your own YouTube channel or any platform you are comfortable with, and you start teaching. Then your product becomes the next step for people who want to go deeper. And this is how you build income that compounds. Fourth way to monetize your skill is to build a small community offer or group mentoring or group program. So group programs helps you to teach deeply, it helps you to support people and earn more without doing 10 or 20 one-to-one sessions. So for example, instead of doing 10 one-to-one session and each client will pay you $100. You can have 10 women in a group paying you even more money. And then you teach them once, you serve them once, you earn more, you spend less time. The fifth way to monetize your skill is to use your skill to create content that attracts opportunities. This is where many people underestimate social media, especially YouTube. Your skill can turn into speaking invitations, paid collaborations, consulting, brand partnerships. Clients come to you. When you create, valuable content consistently around a clear topic, people begin to assume, this person knows what they are doing. So now let's make this practical. If you have been watching and listening and you are thinking, okay, Lara, I've heard you. What do I do first? Here is the order. The step number one is to think about the skills that you have and then choose one skill lane, not five, just one. Ask yourself, what do I have evidence for? What solves a real need? What can I deliver confidently? That is your starting point. The step number two is to decide your fastest monetization path. If you need money quickly, package service first. Start making hair for people. Start sewing for people. And if you want less burnout, it's going to be service plus productize knowledge. That is like digital products. If you want a long-term scale, you're going to package content plus products and group program. The step number three is to write one clear offer, one outcome, one price, one time frame. For example, in 2 weeks, I will help you do this so that you can achieve this. The step number four, once you have done all of this, is now to start telling people clearly about what you do, about your offer. Because most people don't make money because nobody knows what they do. You can be the most intelligent. You can have all the ideas in this whole wide world. But if you don't share it, if you don't tell people about it, nobody will know what you do. So you must communicate what you do clearly so that people can understand and then they can patronize you. If you are watching this video and you have been feeling like, oh God, where do I begin? I'm behind. I want you to know that you are not behind. This is just the right time, but don't delay it. Take action immediately. And you have to take this one step at a time. You are not behind. You've just been trying to make money from your skills without a structure. And once you start packaging what you know, once you start focusing on outcomes and building assets, your effort will finally start making sense financially. This is all I have for you in this video, and I hope you have gained something. And if this video helped you, I want you to like it. I want you to subscribe to this channel, because on this channel, we're going to build clarity, confidence, and income step by step. And I also want you to share this with someone in your contacts. And I also want you to tell me in the comment section, what skill do you think you have that you have been undervaluing? I would like to read from you. And thank you for watching this video. All my links to my social media, my community group will be in the comment section. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye.